A basic concept before exercise 7.3. Types of arc. Already you have learned this thing in standard 9th. There are 4 types of arc: minor arc, major arc, semicircular arc or semicircle, or circle itself, that is circumference or circular arc. What do you mean by minor arc? The arc which measures less than 180 degree, that means half than circle, right? More less than half of the circle. Major arc, the arc which measures more than 180 degree, means more than half of the circle. Semicircular arc which measures 180 degree, that means half of the circle. And circle itself means the whole circle or circumference. Example, if you consider AC is a half of circle, right? Because AC is a diameter, so it contribute half of the circle. Now arc AXB, which is less than this half circle, right? AXB, so AXB is called minor arc. Then ABC or AXC, AXC is the half circle, and half circle is called semicircle. Arc ABD, is more than half circle, so definitely it is major arc. And arc ABDA or ABA, arc ABA or arc ACA, arc ADA, any arc, this contribute whole circle, so this is called circular arc. Now measure of arc. Measure of arc is always related to its center. You know, the sum of the measure of whole circle is 360 degree. Whole circle is 360 degree. Okay, now first name the minor arc. Now what is the name of minor arc in this? So I'll start with A point. So arc AXB is the minor arc. And what is its measurement? A measurement is less than, so I'll write theta. Theta is less than 180 degree, because arc which measures less than 180 degree is minor arc. So theta means central angle, and theta is also known as measure of arc. Measure of arc. There is a difference between measure of arc and length of arc, because length of arc is in centimeter and measure of arc is in degree. Next, major arc. Major arc means more than 180 degree. More than 180 degree, we'll start with A only. So ABD, ABD, definitely it is major arc. So arc ABD, and here theta is greater than 180 degree. The next is semicircular arc. Now semicircular arc, semicircle, will start with A. So AXC or ABC, anything will do. I'll write arc AXC. Here theta is equal to 180 degree. Here, right, theta is 180 degree. Next, arc circular arc. Circular arc means the whole circle, so we'll start with A itself. So ACA or ADA, anything will do. So arc ACA. Here theta equal to double of 180 degree, so 360 degree, because there are two semicircle in the whole circle. So 180 plus 180, total 360. So theta is 360. So these are the type of arc. What are the type of arc? Minor arc, major arc, semicircular arc or semicircle, and circular arc or circle itself. Next, measure of arc AXB. AXB, this much arc is 100 degree. What will be the measure of arc BDA? BDA. So AXB and BDA make full circle, and full circle is of 360 degree, right? Full circle, circular arc is of 360 degree, and AXB is given 100 degree. So measure arc BDA. Measure arc BDA will be 360 degree, because the whole circle minus measure of arc AXB equal to 360 degree minus 100 degree equal to 260 degree, and that is the answer. The second one, if measure of arc AXC, what type of arc AXC is? Semicircular arc, and measure of semicircular arc is 180 degree. So measure of arc AXC is 90 degree. It is mistake. AXC should be 180 degree, not 90 degree. Find the major arc CDA. 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 And CDA is also semicircle. CDA is also semicircular arc. So it is also of 180 degree. But we'll write measure of arc CDA equal to 360 minus measure of arc AXC equal to 360 minus 180 equal to 180, or directly you can write 180 degree, as this is also a semicircle and a measure of semicircular arc is 180 degree. In both way it is right. Is the length of arc and measure of arc are equal or same? Answer, no. No, they are not same. No. Answer, they are not same. No. Because measure of arc is in degree and length of arc is in centimeter or meter. So which is different. Measure of arc determine the central angle. How much central angle? If central angle is 60 degree, then measure of arc is also 60 degree. If central angle is 120 degree, the measure of arc is also 120 degree. So measure of arc determine the central angle, that is in degree. But length of arc, what is the length of AXB? That will come in centimeter. Now how to find? By a formula, because it is a part of circumference, and you know the formula of circumference, 2 pi r. So it is certain part of 2 pi r. Example, AXC is half of 2 pi r, because whole circle is 2 pi r and this is semicircle half circle, so it will be half 2 pi r. As right now we don't know AXB's part in a circle, so we cannot decide, but definitely it will be some part of 2 pi r. That we will understand in different concept. Second activity. So hope you understood this activity. Now sector of the circle. Second activity, sector of the circle. Now central angle of the circle is of 360 degree, we know. This is measure of arc also 360 degree. The whole circle is of 360 degree and area of circle is pi r square. Now we'll see to it. Measure of arc. Now how much part of the circle, that what will be the theta if the whole circle, right, is what we say highlighted, right, or marked. The whole circle is marked. Then here the central angle, measure of arc, that is central angle, is 360 degree itself, because the whole circle is marked. Now 360 upon theta is 360, so 360 upon 360. 360 upon 360 will get cancelled. So area of sector, this is the sector, so area of sector is 1 part of pi r square, because it is whole circle, so pi r square. So finally it is pi r square into 1, or directly pi r square. The next one, how much part of the circle is marked or shaded? Half, right? Half. So what will be the formula of this sector? Sector will be half pi r square, half of pi r square, because the whole circle is pi r square. This is half, so half of pi r square. But how? Let's see. Now what is the measure of arc here? Central angle of highlighted part or the shaded part is 180 degree, because it is semicircle. Now which part? 180 upon 360, because the whole is 360 and this is 180 part. Theta is 180 parts and 180 upon 360 is half, so it is half of pi r square. So finally we got the formula for semicircle is 180 degree upon 360 into pi r square. Correct? That is half pi r square. The next one, right, there are 4 part of 360 degree, so 1/4 of 360 degree, which is 90 degree, right? So this is 90 upon 360, which is 1/4 of pi r square, the whole circle, right? Whole circle is pi r square. This is 1/4 part. So measure of arc is 90 degree and 90 upon 360 degree, because the whole is 360, this much part, the shaded part is of 90 degree. So 90 upon 360 is 1/4 of pi r square. So as per formula we got 90 upon 360, definitely, which means 1/4 of pi r square. The next one, right, tell how many parts? 1 2 3 4 5 6 parts are there. So 1/6 of pi r square, but then 1/6 of 360 is 60 degree. This will be 60 degree. So 60 degree upon 360 is 1/6. So 1/6 of pi r square. and 1/6 is 60 upon 360. So 60 upon 360 into pi r square. Now if you notice, every time this is 1 means 360 upon 360, 360 upon 360. Now if you notice, every time here 360 upon 360 into pi r square, upon 360 into pi r square, 360 upon into pi r square, 3 upon 360 into pi r square, these are constant. So that will be the part of formula upon 360 into pi r square. Only what is changing? Changing the shaded central angle, right? So central angle is changing, which is also known as measure of arc. So we will assume is at theta, right? So theta upon 360 into pi r square, that is the area of sector. So finally area of sector equal to theta upon 360 into pi r square, where measure of arc is theta, right, and part will be theta upon 360, and the formula will be theta upon 360 into pi r square. Think about, if theta is 45 degree, then what will be the formula? 45 upon 360 into pi r square. If theta is 50 degree, then what will be the formula? 50 upon 360 into pi r square. Correct? What is pi r square? Circle. Next, length of arc. This was the area of sector or sector of the circle. Sector is always connected with center. Okay, and let's talk about the area of this thing. Now before coming to the length of the arc, let's talk about the area of sector. This is the whole circle, so no need to talk about it. O, assume it, the name of center is O. Here it is A, here X and B. Now when I say AXB is just the arc. But when I have to say the name of this shaded sector, then I have to start with O dash AXB. O dash AXB. So how to highlight area? A stands for area of sector. So O dash AXB. That will be the area of this sector. About this O, A, X, B. So now what will be the area of this shaded sector? O. Definitely first area of O dash, because you have to start with center. O dash. Now XB, only XB. Are you getting it? Only XB. So O XB. A will not come because this part is not shaded. So only O dash XB is the shaded area of the sector. And this sector O, A, X, B, and here I'll write Y. So can you guess the area of this sector? How can you name? O center dash YB. Correct? O dash YB. This much is the shaded part of the sector. So this way the sector of the circle, and final formula that you have to remember is theta upon 360 into pi r square. Let's come to the length of the arc, circumference of the circle. Length of the arc, do not start with center. It will directly start with the arc. The way we are writing arc, exactly the same way we have to write it. Now measure of arc, the same way, the whole circle, right? Now length of arc means circumference, and circumference formula is 2 pi r. So here the whole arc is there, right? Full circle is marked. So 360 degree, here half circle is marked. So 180 degree will be the measure of central angle or measure of arc. Here 90 degree, and here it is 60 degree. So in short, we are using theta. This is theta. Now theta upon 360. So here 360 upon 360, here 180 upon 360, here 90 upon 360, here 60 upon 360, and here theta upon 360. Now say 360 will get cancelled, it become 1. So it is 1 part of length of arc. And what is length of arc? That's related to circumference. So whole circumference. So 1 into 2 pi r. This is half of 2 pi r. Right? Cancellation, 1/4 of 2 pi r. Say this was related to the area of circle. So these were the part of area of circle. This is related to the circumference of the circle, right? Length of arc related to the circumference. So this will be the part of circumference, which is 2 pi r. This will be 1/6 of 2 pi r, because 360, right? 60 upon 360 is 1 upon 6. So this will be theta upon 360 of 2 pi r. So finally we got formula of length of arc equal to theta upon 360 into 2 pi r. So we got two formula. The first, area of sector, which is theta upon 360 into pi r square, and length of arc, theta upon 360 into 2 pi r. Hope you understood this formula as well. Now formulas. Area of sector. There are two formula for area of sector. Theta upon 360 into pi r square. And area of sector, second formula, when length of arc is given, it is length of arc into radius upon 2. Length of arc has two formula. Length of arc, first formula, theta upon 360 into 2 pi r. And length of arc, second formula, area of sector into 2 upon r. It is just reciprocal of each other, because length of arc formula, area of sector, 2 upon r, right? Radius upon 2 will go there, it turns into 2 upon r. So these both are related to each other. When to apply this formula? When area of sector is given and they ask you to find out length of arc. Area of circle, when minor sector and major sector areas are given. So it's simple, area of circle equal to area of minor sector plus area of corresponding major sector. Can you guess the formula for area of minor sector when other two are given? Just difference of these two. And similarly, area of major sector will be difference of area of circle minus area of minor sector. The next, circumference of the circle, the length of minor arc plus length of major arc. Similarly, what is formula for length of minor arc? Circumference minus length of major arc. And what is the formula for length of major arc? Circumference minus length of minor arc. Perimeter of sector is the length of arc plus double of radius. Generally the sector is in this form. So here these two segments are r, that is radius, so double of radius, and this curved part is called length of arc. So perimeter of this sector is double of radius plus length of arc L. So hope you understood perimeter of sectors. If you know these formulas, you will be able to do each and every sum of exercise 7.3. So let's start with exercise now, 7.3. 7.3 exercise. Radius of the circle is 10 centimeter. Measure of the arc of the circle is 54 degree. Find the area of the sector associated with the arc. Now radius of the circle is given 10. So first we will write given radius r equal to 10 centimeter. Measure of arc of the circle is 54 degree. So that is measure of minor arc. 54 degree is the minor arc. So measure of minor arc, that is theta, which is 54 degree. Find the area of sector associated with this arc. So in short, we have to find the area of sector. To find area of minor sector only, minor sector. To find of a solution. So we'll write first solution. Now area of sector formula is theta upon 360 into pi r square. Theta is given upon 360 into pi value. It is given 3.14 and r is given. So direct formula, area of sector. Now this formula is applicable for both, whether it is minor sector or major sector. Theta upon 360 into pi r square. Theta is 54 upon 360 into 314 upon 100, that is value of pi, and r is 10 square. Area of sector I'll assume to be A. Now therefore A equal to 54 54 upon 360 into 314 upon 100 into 10 square is 100. So first of all, 100 will get cancelled. 6 6 are 36, 6 9s are 54, right? So again now 3, and here 3 2s are, so 20, 10 and 157. So area is 3 into 157 upon 10. So area will be 7 3s are 21, 2 left, 5 3s are 15 and 2 17, 1 3 1s are 3 and 1 4 upon 10. Therefore area equal to 47.1, but we should not write only till one decimal place, we should write till two decimal place, so we'll add 1 0. Unit is centimeter, so square centimeter. So area of the sector, finally answer, the area of sector is 47.1 centimeter square or square centimeter. You can write 10 also, no problem. So this is the answer of sum number 1, which is of 2 marks. Now second, 7.3 we are doing. Second one, measure of an arc of a circle is 80 degree. So given measure of arc, measure of arc, and what is measure of arc? Theta. Theta is 80 degree. Radius is 18 centimeter. Radius r equal to 18 centimeter. Find the length of the arc. To find length of the arc, length of arc. Solution. What is formula of length of arc? Length of arc is theta, which is given upon 360 into 2 pi r. 2 and pi value will remain same. R is also given, so directly formula. There is no other formula, right? So solution, since length of arc equal to theta upon 360 into 2 pi r equal to theta is 80 upon 360 into 2 into pi value is given 314 upon 100 into radius is given 18 equal to, now cancellation, 0 will get cancelled, right? 4 2s are 8 and here 18, 2s are and 9 1s are 9 2s are 18, so 2 2s are 4, so length of arc will assume as L. Now 2 2s are 4 into 2 into 314, 2 into 314 upon 100. We will not cancel 2 with 100 because directly we can put the decimal point. 4 2s are 8. Now 8 into 314, 8 into 314, 8 4s are 32, 3, 8 1s are 8 and 3 11, 1, 8 3s are 24, no 8 3s are 24, 24 and 1 25, 2 5 1 2 upon 100. So length of arc after putting decimal point 25.12 centimeter. Length of arc will be always in centimeter, not centimeter square, because it is not area, it is just a length. So answer, the length of arc is 25.12 centimeter, and this is the end of sum number 2. Next, sum number 3. Radius of a sector of a circle is 3.5 centimeter and length of the arc is 2.2 centimeter. So first we will write given radius r, which is 3.5 centimeter, and length of the arc, which is L, and that is 2.2 centimeter. Find the area of sector. To find area of sector, A. Solution. First we should write formula, since area of sector equal to length of arc. See, when the length of arc is given, the formula will change. Length of arc into 2 upon, r upon 2. Length of arc into r upon 2, that is area of sector. Now area of sector is A, length of arc is given 2.2 into r is given 3.5 upon 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 1.1s are, that is 11s are 22. So area equal to 11 5s are 55, 5 left, 11 3s are 33 and 5, 38, 38. Here after decimal 1 point, here after decimal, right? Decimal after decimal 1 number, decimal 1 number, so total 2 numbers. So 3.85. After decimal 2 numbers should come. So 3.85 centimeter square, and this is the answer. Answer, radius no. Find the area of sector. So area of sector is 3.85 centimeter square. This is of 2 mark. Every formula will give you half mark, so don't forget to write correct formula. The next one, radius of the circle is 10 centimeter, area of sector. So first we'll write given radius of the circle, so radius equal to 10 centimeter equal to r. You can write r here as well. Area of sector, which is A, and that is given 100 centimeter square. Find the area of corresponding major sector. To find area of corresponding major sector. Solution. Now before starting solution, first we will try to understand the concept. Now radius of the circle, so for that I'll draw a circle. The radius of the circle is given 10. Area of sector of the circle is 100 centimeter square. So if this is the shaded portion whose area is 100 centimeter square, find the area of its corresponding major sector. We need to find the area of this unshaded part. So how we can find out? There are different techniques, but the easiest technique is the area of circle minus area of this shaded part. We will get the area of non-shaded part, right? So first we have to find area of circle. Area of circle formula is pi r square. We have radius, so pi r square, so 22 upon 7 or 3.14 into 10 into 10. By cancelling we will get 314, and minus area of this part, shaded part, which is 100. So 314 minus 100 is 214, and 214 will be the answer of the remaining major sector. So let's start. Solution. First, area of circle equal to pi r square. Pi is given 314 upon 100. R is given 10 square. So 314 upon 100 into 100. 100 got cancelled. So the area of circle equal to 314 square centimeter. Now area of major sector, the formula is area of circle minus area of minor sector. Therefore area of major sector I'll assume as A, area of circle I know it's 314, and area of minor sector which is given 100. So area equal to 214 square centimeter. Therefore answer, area of sector is 214 square centimeter. Which sector? Major sector, or you can write the required sector is 214 square centimeter, and this is the answer of sum number 4. Sum number 5, area of sector. So given area of sector is given 30 centimeter square. Radius is given 15 centimeter. Find the length of arc of the sector. To find length of the arc, now solution. We need to find length of arc, but length of arc formula is theta upon 360 into 2 pi r, but here theta is not given. Here area of sector is given, so we will use the second formula in which we can use area of sector. So length of arc equal to area of sector into double 2 upon radius. This is the formula of length of arc. Now therefore length of arc, area of sector is given 30 into 2 upon radius is given 15. 15 ones are 15 twos are. Therefore length equal to 2 twos are 4. Unit is given centimeter. Therefore the length of arc is 4 centimeter. That's all. Sum number 7. In figure, radius of the circle is given 3.4. Perimeter of the sector is given PABC, this full sector. If you are not understanding, let me shade it. This is the area, right? P means start with center. P dash ABC is 12 points. See, perimeter of the sector is given. This perimeter means only this boundary is given, right? Perimeter is 12.8 centimeter. Find the area of PABC. This shaded part we need to find. So area, to find out area we should know theta. We should know theta or length of the arc. So let's see, perimeter is given. So solution directly I am writing. Since perimeter of sector, we know the formula of perimeter of sector is length of arc, this curved part, length of arc plus it has 2 radius also, right? 2 radius, double of radius. Therefore perimeter of sector is given 12.8 equal to length of arc L plus double of radius is 3.4. 12.8 equal to L plus 6.8. 6.8 will go on that side, other side. 12.8 minus 6.8 equal to L. So L equal to 6 centimeter. So we got the length of arc is 6 centimeter. Now by using length of arc, can we find area of sector? Yes. We know the formula, since area of sector when length of arc is given. Now since area of sector equal to length of arc length of arc into we have done here itself, area of sector equal to length of arc into r upon 2. So length of arc we got 6 into r is given 3.4 upon 2. 2 ones are 2 threes are, and 3.4 into 3, 4 threes are 12, so 1 3 threes are 9 and 1 10, 10.2 centimeter square. So answer, so the area of, find area of P dash ABC equal to 10.2 centimeter square or square centimeter. This is the end of sum number 7. You might be wondering, sir, where is 6 sum? I have done it on the another page. So next sum we will continue with 6 sum. Sum number 6, in figure r equal to 7, radius is 7 centimeter. So we can write here 7 centimeter. Measure of arc MBN is 60 degree. Measure of arc means central angle is 60 degree. Find the area of circle. So we can find solution. Area of circle. Area of circle. We know the formula, pi r square. Right? We are doing the first one. Area of circle. Pi r square, pi is not given, so we will take 22 by 7 into r is given 7 into 7. 7 will get cancelled. 22 7s are 154 square centimeter. Unit is given centimeter here, so centimeter. Area of circle. So first part we got. Now second is area of MBN, O dash MBN. O dash MBN. So segment. This is called sector. Area of sector OMBN. Second part, area of sector O dash MBN. If you don't write sector, it's okay, because O dash MBN is means sector only. Equal to theta upon 360 into pi r square. That is the formula. Now theta is 60 degree upon 360. Now instead of writing again 22 upon 7 into 7 into 7, no, better we will write pi r square. We know 154, so directly we'll use this value. Now cancelling, 0 0, 6 1s are 6 6 are 36. Now 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, right? So 34 left. 6 2s are 12 right now. 30 34, 6 5s are 30, so 4 left, so 40. 6 6 are 36, again 4 left, 40. 6.66, 6666 will come, right? So 25.66 recurring, that means 25.67 centimeter square. That is area of sector, this sector. And next is area of OMCN, O dash MCN, that is area of major sector. Now the third one, area of O dash MCN equal to area of circle minus area of minor sector, that is O dash MBN. MBN. Area of circle is 154 minus 25.67, which is equal to 128.33 centimeter square. So finally we got all three: area of circle, area of minor sector, and area of major sector. And this is the answer of sum number 6. Sum number 8, given in figure, angle ROQ angle ROQ is equal to angle MON equal to 60 degree, right? ROQ and MON, they are one and the same, just extended part, equal to 60 degree. Radius R equal to 7 centimeter, but which radius 7 centimeter? Radius small r will be, small r is OR 7 centimeter, OR is 7 centimeter, and OM the whole is 21 centimeter. So small r, that is OR, equal to 7 centimeter, and radius, capital radius, bigger radius, which is OM, and 21 centimeter. So to find length of arc RXQ, and length of arc MYN. So in short, we have to find length of these two arcs. So simple. Now solution. We know the formula of length of arc when theta is given. See here, angle is given 60 degree. So theta upon 360 into 2 pi r, that is the length of arc. So solution. First, length of arc equal to theta upon 360 into 2 pi r, that is formula. Therefore length of arc RXQ equal to theta, which is 60 degree, upon 360 degree into 2 into pi value is 22 upon 7, and radius is also 7. So length of arc equal to 6 6 so 1 upon 6 into 7 7 got cancelled, into 2 22s are 44. So length equal to half is 3 and 22. So 22 by 3 is the length of arc RXQ. So finally, therefore length of arc RXQ equal to 22 divided by 3 is 7.33 centimeter. And length of second arc, MYN equal to theta, which is 60 degree, upon 360 into 2 into 22 upon 7 into r radius. Now bigger radius is 21, right? So 0 0 got cancelled, 6 1s are 6 6 are 3s are 2 1s are 3 7s are, and 7 7 got cancelled. So only 22. So only 22 is left. So 22 centimeter, that is the length of arc MYN. So answer, the length of arc RXQ equal to 7.33 centimeter, and length, okay, already we have written lengths, so I'll remove this length of arc MYN is 22 centimeter. So this is the end of sum number 8. Now sum number 9, which is of 3 marks. In the figure, area of sector P dash ABC is given. So area of sector is given 154 centimeter square, and radius is given 14 centimeter. Find central angle, measure of central angle, which is measure angle APC, central angle, and length of arc BP, A, B, C, ABC. Okay, so first solution. First we will find out the central angle. For that, area of sector is given. So area of sector formula, area of sector equal to theta upon 360 into pi r square. Formula, area of sector we know, which is given 154. Theta we don't know, so we'll keep it theta. 360 into pi, value is not given, we will write it later on. R is given 14 into 14. So as radius is 14, we can take 22 by 7. 7 ones are 7 twos are 14. Therefore 154 into 360 will come here in multiplication. 22 into 2 into 14, this all will go in denominator. So 22 into 2 into 14 equal to theta. So theta, 22 ones are 22, 7s are 154, 7 ones are 7 twos are, and 2 twos are 4, 4 ones are 4 nines are. So it is 90 degrees. So theta we got 90 degree. Therefore major angle APC equal to 90 degree. Now we have to find length of arc. Now length of arc when area is given. So length of arc, I'll write it here. Second part, this was first part. Length of arc equal to area of sector into 2 upon r. 2 upon r. So area of sector we have 154 into 2 upon radius is 14. 2 ones are 2, 7s are 7 ones are 7 twos are 14, 7 twos are 14. So it is 22 centimeter. So final answer number 1, major angle APC equal to 90 degree, and number 2, length of arc ABC. Here also we should write length of arc ABC equal to 22. So equal to 22 centimeter. And this is the end of sum number 9. Radius of the sector of a circle is 7 centimeter. If the measure of arc of a sector is 30 degree, 210 degree, 3 right angles, find the area of sector in each case. These are simple sum. Actually 3 sums in one sum. So we'll start with given radius of a sector, radius r, which is common, 7 centimeter. Now to find area of sector, area of sectors. Now solution, when 30 degree is theta, so theta equal to 30 degree. So first formula, since area of sector equal to theta upon 360 into pi r square, we will write it later on. This is the formula, general formula. Now we will write when theta equal to 30 degree. This is the first one. Therefore area of sector, area equal to 30 upon 360 into pi, value is not given, r is given 7, so definitely we'll take 22 by 7, 7 square. 0 got cancelled, 3 ones are 3, 12s are, so 1 upon 12 into 22 by 7 into 7 into 7, 7 got cancelled, so 22 into 7 by 12, 11s are and 6 are, So 77 by 6. 6 ones are 6. 6 twos are 12. 12 point area, right? So it is 12.83 centimeter square. This is the area of sector. The next, number 2. Formula we will not write it again because the same formula we are doing. So then when theta equal to 210, so area of sector equal to 210 upon 360 degree into 22 by 7 into 7 into 7. 0 0 got cancelled. 7 ones are 7 threes are 3 ones are 3 12s are and 6 are and 11s are. So 11 into 49. Now 11 into 49 divided by 6. 11 nines are 99. 9 left. 11 fours are 44 and 9 53. 539 by 6. So area of sector 539 by 6 is 89.83 centimeter square. Next, number 3. When theta is 3 right angles, 3 right angle is 90 degree equal to 270 degree, that is theta. Therefore area of sector equal to 270 degree upon 360 into 22 by 7 into 7 into 7. Again 7 will get cancelled. 0 0 got cancelled. 9 threes are 27. 9 fours are 36. 2s are 11s are. So now 11 sevens are 77, or we can write 11 into 21. 7 threes are 21. 21 into 11 upon 2. 21 ones are 21, 2 21 ones are 21 and 2 23, 231 upon 2 equal to 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 fives are 10, 0.2 fives are. So it is 115.50 because after decimal generally we write in 2 place. So centimeter square area of sector. So these are the answers of given question. Now sum number 11. The area of minor sector of a circle is 3.85. The measure of central angle is 36. Theta is 36. Area is also given. Find the radius of the circle. This sum is also very easy. Now for solution, since area of sector that is by formula, area of sector is theta upon 360 into pi r square. Area of sector is given 3.85, theta is given 36 upon 360 into pi value is not given, r square. So pi value definitely when it is not given we will take 22 by 7. Now 36 ones are 36 tens are. So 380, okay, I'll leave one line and then write 385 upon 100 equal to 22 ones are 22 upon 7 into 10 into r square. Now we will isolate r square, and 385 upon 100 into 7 into 10 upon 22. 0 0 got cancelled. So r square. Now 11 twos are 11 threes are 33, 5 left, 11 fives are 55, 5 twos are 10, 5 sevens are 35, Now 7 into 7, 7 square, and 2 into 2, 2 square. Taking square root on both sides. Taking positive square root on both sides. We got r equal to 7 by 2, and therefore r equal to 3.5 centimeter. So answer, radius of circle is 3.5 centimeter. And this is the end of sum number 11. Sum number 12. In given figure, quadrilateral PQRS is a rectangle. If PQ equal to 14, PQ is given 14, so we'll write 14, and QR, full QR is 21 centimeter. Find the area of part X, Y and Z. Now first of all, it is a rectangle, so all angles are 90 degrees, so we will write that quadrilateral PQRS is a rectangle. Therefore, angle Q equal to angle R equal to 90 degree. Reason, angles of rectangle. Now for finding X, we know we need to find area of sector, right? Area of sector theta is 90 upon 360 into pi r square. Radius is 14. Radius is 14. For Y, so first we can find out X. So area of sector formula, since area of sector X or any sector formula is theta upon 360 into pi r square, and that is formula. So for X equal to theta is 90 upon 360, pi is, it is not given pi, so we'll take 22 upon 7 into r is given 14 into 14, right? R is 14 into 14. So X equal to 0, 0 cancel, 9 ones are 9, 4s are 36, 7 ones are 7, 2s are 2, 2 cancel, and 2 ones are 2, 11s are. Now 11 into 14, 11 into 14. Therefore X equal to 14 ones are 14, 1, 14 ones are 14, 1, 15. So 154 square unit is given centimeter. So 154 square centimeter, that is the area of X region. Now for Y, radius is AR. The angle is 90 degree. That already we have written, angle R is 90 degree. But radius is AR, but AR is not given. Can we find AR? Yes. Now PQ equal to QA, radii of the same sector. So we'll write PQ equal to QA. Reason, radii of same sector. Therefore QA equal to 14 centimeter. This we got 14 centimeter. Now QR or AR. AR equal to QR minus QA, right? AR equal to QR minus QA. Reason, Q dash, A dash, R. AR we don't know. QR is 21 minus QA is 14. So AR equal to 7 centimeter. So we got AR, and AR is the radius of this sector. So for Y, area of sector Y, area of sector Y equal to theta 90 degree upon 360 degree into pi r square. So 22 by 7 into radius 7 into 7. 7 7 got cancelled. 1s are 4s are 2s are 11s are. So it's 11 into 7 upon 2. So 77 upon 2. 77 upon 2. 2 3s are 6. 2 8s are 16, 38.5 square centimeter, that is for y. Now for z, how we can find out area for z? Area of rectangle minus x minus y, right? So for that, area of rectangle equal to length into breadth. Length is given 21, breadth is given 14. 21 4s are 84, 8 left. 21 ones are 21 and 8. 21 and 8 is 29. 294 square centimeter. Now area of part Z. So area of part Z. Part Z is not a sector. Part Z equal to area of rectangle minus area of x plus area of y. So we will add area of x and y, and then we will subtract that from area of rectangle. So area of rectangle is 294 minus area of x 154 plus area of y 38.5. So 294 minus 4 and 8 12.51, 5 and 1 6, 7 8 9. It's coming 192.5, and 294 minus 192.5 is 101.5 centimeter square. So area of part Z is 101.5 centimeter square. And finally you have to write in statement. So this is the end of sum number 12. Area of first triangle LMN is an equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle, so we know all angle are 60 degree, 60 degree and 60 degree, and all sides are equal as shown in the figure, where LM is 14. LM is 14, so all sides are of 14. Three sectors are drawn, and definitely all three sectors will be equal. Vertex is in center and radius is 7 centimeter. Find area of triangle LMN. Area of triangle LMN. Now area of equilateral triangle, first of all we have to find. So solution, area of equilateral triangle is root 3 upon 4 into side square. This is the formula of area of equilateral triangle. Root 3 value is given 1.732 upon 4 into side of the triangle is 14 square. 1732 upon 4 to 1000, right? Decimal after decimal we have 3 digit. 14 square is 196. Now 4 ones are 4 fours are 16, 17, 18 and 36. 4 nines are 36. So 1732 into 49 upon 1000. So answer will be 84,868. 84,868, and after 3 decimal 84.868. Unit is given square centimeter. So 84.868. But we have to write only till 2 place, right? Now 2 place after decimal. So 2 decimal place 84.87 square centimeter. That is area of triangle LMN. Area of triangle LMN. Area of triangle LMN. So first answer we got area of triangle. The second, area of any one sector. For area of one sector we should know theta. So for second, now central angle of each sector will be theta equal to 60 degree, because angle of equilateral triangle is 60 degree. Now area of sector equal to theta upon 360 degree into pi r square. Area of sector we need to find theta 60 degree upon 360 degree into pi 22 by 7 r. Radius is given 7 centimeter, right? Radius yeah, here it is given, radius is 7 centimeter. So 7 into 7, 7 will get cancelled, 6 ones are 6 6 are 3s are and 11s are. So area will be 77 by 3. So area 3 2s are 6, then 17, so 3 5s are 15, 20, 6 6 6 6, so 67 square centimeter. So 25.67 square centimeter is the area of sector 1 sector. Now area of 3 sectors. All 3 sectors are equal. Third part, as all 3 sectors are equal, as they have equal central angle and equal radius or same radius. Therefore, total area of all 3 sectors equal to 3 into area of sector. So 3 into, we can write 77 upon 3 instead of writing 25.67. What we will write? 77 upon 3. So 3 will get cancelled. So answer will be 77 centimeter square. This is the exact answer. If you take 25.67, you might get something more extra. So but exact answer is 77 centimeter square. Now we need to find area of shaded region. Area of shaded region is area of triangle minus area of 3 sectors. So fourth one, area of shaded region equal to area of equilateral triangle minus area of 3 sectors. Therefore equal to, not therefore, equal to area of triangle is 84.87 minus 77. So 84.87 minus 77, so 0.87 will be 0.87, 14 minus 7, 7, and 7 minus 7, 0. So 7.87 centimeter square. So answer, right, all 4 answers you have to write. The first one, area of triangle LMN equal to 84.87 square centimeter. Number 2, area of 1 sector 25.67 square centimeter. Number 3, area of 3 sectors equal to 77 centimeter square. And number 4, area of shaded region. .87 centimeter square. And this is the end of sum number 13 and exercise 7.3. Hope you understood all the sums.